Namaste friends, I am here with a very small motif, a 3 round stitch pattern which is titled as Halley's comet. And to work this we definitely will need two contrasting colors, so I have taken the royal blue and the Alaska blue and worked with it. And it is of intermediate level because it uses spike stitches. Okay, let's go into the video without much ado. Chain 4, slip stitch to the first chain and form a ring and place in the ring. You may chain 5 and begin, which will be counted as DC and chain 2 space. Otherwise you can make a standing double crochet chain 2, 1 double crochet, 7 times, chain 2 double crochet 7 times, place chain 2 double crochet 7 times and get back. I shall also complete and get back. We have come to the end of the round here. Now chain 2 and slip stitch to the first double crochet that we made into this space. And place a double crochet in the same stitch or chain 3, whichever is convenient. So let me place my first double crochet, standing double crochet, on the same stitch we finished with slip stitch, and place 3 double crochets in the chain space. This is the stitch repeat for this particular round. 1, 2, 3, and again 1 double on the double. So every double crochet will have 1 double crochet, and in the chain space we are making 3 doubles. So repeat this stitch pattern all around, and I shall meet you when I complete the round. I have placed my last double crochet. Now it's time to slip stitch and fasten off. So I'm going to take it from here, pull out. Let me cut the yarn first. So let us do the invisible join. Yes, I've taken the yarn from the second stitch, and now I'm going to take it back into the last stitch I worked from back loop. Here we go. This is the invisible join I have done here, and this color gets completed at the end of this round. Let me be back with the next color. With the right side facing, join color B into the DC which is standing above the DC of the first round here. Okay, so insert, I'm going to make a standing single crochet. I made my loop, insert into this chain space, not into the stitch, and make a single crochet. Now we need to make a spike, so over the next stitch. So pull it to the height of the single crochet, and then insert your hook into the single crochet, pull it out and make a single crochet. This is one spike done. Now we need to do a picot. 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into this. So the picot is done. Now one single in the next stitch. Next DC, and 2 singles in the next DC. Again we begin the pattern, single crochet, spike next, pull up to the height of this first stitch. You can insert here for more secured stitch. and here we have a beautiful spike. And then now picot, 1 2 3, and into this a picot, 1 single in the next, 2 singles in the next stitch, and continue this repeat all around. I shall complete and get back to you. I've come to the end of the round here. I've placed my last single crochet. Now cut the yarn and slip stitch and fasten off. Okay, I'm going to take it from inside this. Let me use a smaller hook, it's better. Gets done very easily. Again, here we go. Here we go. It is Halley's comet. It is titled as Halley's comet. It's a beautiful pattern to be worked as a motif, as a applique and whatnot. Hope you like this small video, friends. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Meanwhile, request you to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Do like and share our magic videos on the Magic Needles YouTube channel. So have a great day, friends. Bye for now.